Alright, what up, guys? November 16th, I'll be continuing backtesting September 25 or September 2025, and then I'll do 2023 again in the next one. I think I only have like 11 more days on this one, so I'm just gonna knock these out. Get right into it. We got FOMC this week, unemployment claims. Okay, we got 8:30 news. We're at all-time highs right now, so I'm not really expecting much. Nothing crazy. Kind of, not gonna lie, kind of remember this price action from September, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's already 10:59. The reason why I was skipping through all that is because we're at all-time highs. So it's already what, 10, yeah, 10:55 or 10:59. I mean, that's 11, right? I was just skipping through 15-minute candles because we just took out all-time highs. And like, yeah, I'm not taking anything here. You know what I mean? We just continued pumping up until 10 a.m. and then from 10 a.m. we're literally resting at all-time highs. We come pull back into a 15-minute fair value gap, but this is just so premium. Like if you look on the hourly, we have all these imbalances here, and overall it's just not a good area to trade. Like all-time highs is I learned my lessons in all-time highs. It's not it's not fun. I get very picky with my setups at all-time highs, so yeah, go next day. We got 8:30 news again. See if we have any price action. Okay, still all-time highs. This hourly gap here, which also 4 hour. All right, it's lagging. Hmm. Yo, what the heck? Oh, it gapped up. That's why. Did not see that. It's Monday. Let's see. New York session. All right, there we go. All right, so we got a little bit more price action here. Um, got no gaps. We got this 4 hour here. So if we could tap in this 4 hour, obviously we're still bullish. So I'm gonna be targeting this high. Just want to see how price wants to react here. This hourly here. Let's get this hourly. It's 4 hour. I want to see how price reacts here. Tapping in this lower hourly as well. Got some 5 minutes up there. Alright, we're just pushing lower. Probably, yeah, we're going to this. Tapped N dog. Or NWOG, I mean. We still have this cheese. Okay. see, do we have a 5 minute? The only way I'm taking something is if we pull back into the 15 minute or this 5 minute. Take out sell side here. Okay. We got this 2 minute inversion, and then we have the 5 minute gap right there and the 15 minute gap. So I'll be targeting the 15 minute gap. Are we coming off? We're coming off of purely just end dog or end wog and that sell side level. This is a little bit risky for a mech, but we do have this accumulation. 10 AM's right here. 10 AM didn't really manipulate into anything, so this was the manipulation leg right here. Receiving this low. So I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna go break even at this high. 24555. Damn. Okay, I'm going break even early here since ES already tapped into the 15 minute fair value gap. This is also break even right here. Got hit break even there. Alright. Not a horrible trade. I'd say the only thing is that we don't have SMT and we're not really coming off an imbalance other than NWOG itself. I'd say NWOG is a pretty strong area to reject, so the sell side level here. But it doesn't automatically mean like, mech model, but I'd probably rate it like an A minus. Not the best setup though, not the best. I just wanna try it out. But good levels. Unfilled 15, unfilled 5, break even. It's all good. We're going next day. We got London low here. And London high. Choppy price section. Pretty chop. FOMC this day too, so not really expecting much. No gaps. No gaps. No gaps. So clearest draw for buy side is intermediate term high and London high. See what happens. This 5 minute for value up here. Let's see. It's 3 minute gap. We have 4 minute here maybe. But we have a 5 minute too. So we're coming off 2 5 minutes here. Let's see. Okay, I am leaning a bit more bearish since we do have S&T at the high here. So if we can get a 5-minute close below this, I'll take a stab at it. Okay. All right, I'm fine with this setup. It's a pretty solid setup. Okay, SMT at the high. We're coming off this 5-minute for value gap. ES took out London high too, so we got two SMTs. Yeah, there we go. Pretty clean trade. Pretty clean. 1 minute looked pretty fire too. All the time frames. We had straight up down close candles across all of them, so easy trade, really. 5-minute inverse. SMT at London high, SMT at this internal high. Rejection off the 5-minute for value gap, 5-minute inversion. Clear drawn liquidity being London low. Now we have SMT there. It's already 10. I'm not going to take anything, but I just want to see if anything does present itself. Alright, after that rejection, I'm probably not going to take anything. We still have this, yeah, we still have this full huge gap here, so I'm going to go to the next day. Clean trade. Alright, okay, we completely filled NWOG. And we're back at all-time highs. got, okay, we got that low. We have this gap here. Really want to see what price wants to do here. These key levels. Definitely still bullish. Leaning bullish. It's 9:15. We came back into this hourly for value gap right here. We might hold this one right here. Got London low here. So if ES could take out London low, that would be pretty fire. That would give us a resweep of this low here. And a tap into this 5-minute for value. Okay, we already tapped in that 5-minute for value gap. Okay, so just a resweep would be fire. Okay, we got SMT at this low. Got SMT right here. ES barely missed London low. Coming off this hourly gap. It's too risky. Too risky. I think this trade could play out because of that SMT. I think we could at least get to, you know, this high up here, or either this 5-minute fair value gap up here. But to say that's gonna reverse price, I don't think that's gonna reverse price. I'd want to see London low. We're just way too close to it. Alright, there we go. We got London low on ES. We get a resweep of these lows here. So we get a clean inversion to the upside. It would be a 3-minute. A 4-minute. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta take this. It's gonna be a fat stop. Let me see. That's gonna be a fat stop. We got SMT at London low. We got SMT at London low. It's gonna be break even at this high here. And then we have this 5-minute fair value gap. It's also gonna be this high right here. Got this 5 minute right here. 15. Ooh, it's a 15 minute as well. Okay, we got buy side up here. Oh, it's a 5 minute fair value up too. All right, let's see. 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. Oh no, wait. No, 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 bro. I thought it was still on the 1 minute candles, bruh. Okay, bruh. I'm still taking this trade no matter what, even though I saw it. You guys saw I was clicking 1 minute candles and then it just completely switched to 5 minute candles afterwards. The reason why I'm still taking this is because on the lower time frame, it's a retracement into this imbalance here. And I think this very tiny 4 minute, so we respect it and then we displace higher again. We get the CISD here, change in state, a delivery on a lower time frame, entry on this time frame would be here. Probably put my stop right here, not all the way at the low. I wouldn't expect price to go all the way to the low. We're already creating all these CISD, new imbalances, so if price does come down here, most likely we're going to come down here. In this case, I'm going to go for probably this buy side or 1R, depending on how price reacts from these levels here. I will mark at 1R though. So 1R here, buy side here. Alright, that would be break even right there. Oh, that's so unlucky. That might have been too soon of a break even. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, no, 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 no. I should not have gone break even there. So discretionary wise, okay, where the entry's at to where the break even is and the key level is below this area, since the break even was so close, there's still potential for price to react to it, come lower, respect these levels, and then continue higher. That's typically what I do. I don't know why I went break even there. It was a pretty bad call. But yeah. I would not have gone break even there. Would not have gone break even. I'd say I was pretty confident that high would get hit. We're super bullish. We're coming off this hourly fair value gap. It's a really clean close, really nice wick. We got SMT at London low. Everything's just pointing higher. This was a good trade to not go break even at. Probably should have kept my stop there and just target the high. Really obvious. Really, really obvious. Alright, final day. Go to the final day. Definitely bullish. This is just some choppy price action. Yeah, we're just chopping up this whole time. Got the buy side level up here. Looks like price wants to get to. This 15-minute fair value up here. So we get a continuation off of this. Alright, we get SMT here. And then we have this 5-minute inversion. See how it looks like on a lower time frame. Not a big fan of how the lower time frame looks like. It is pretty premium. We do have SMT at this high. Coming off this 15-minute, we got SMT at this low. Just don't see price moving any lower. I'm gonna take a stab at this. Go break even at the high. Okay, it's break even right there. TP, which is all-time highs. Alright, faded the SMT. Okay, the reason why I still took it, what I was analyzing was where could price, like if price was really not gonna be bullish, where could it retrace to? Well, in my eyes, we kind of already retraced to where potentially, we already retraced to where we could retrace, if that makes sense. We had this 15-minute fair value gap, and we got SMT at this low. If price is gonna retrace, it would be way down here, and if it was gonna retrace, it would be this intermediate term low. How bullish price was with this 15-minute and this wick right here, and the SMT, and we're at all-time highs. I was thinking, all right, we're probably gonna continue higher, especially with this candle that we got here. Super wicky down here. I just didn't think we could come back down to there. And then yeah, we got a 5-minute inverse. Put my stop at, if you're wondering where I put it, put at C of the wick. Oh, it's a little too close. I didn't mark out C of the wick, but I put it right there. Probably would have put it like right here. So it's still 2R, but I got it about right here. Yeah, about 2R. I got 2R on this. Break even at the internal high. Take profit. All-time highs. Pretty clean. We got some solid setups. This backtesting session. We got this one right here for 1R. This was on Wednesday. SMT at London high, SMT at internal high, 5-minute for value get respected, 5-minute inversion, target London low, and then this trade here, discretionary, SMT at London low, rejection of the hourly, internal sweep right here, and then we get this 5-minute inversion. Did get hit break even, but in all cases, or most cases, using a lot of discretion, I would not have gone break even here. It just comes with experience. But but yeah, super clean trade. And then third trade was this one coming off the 15-minute for value gap, SMT at these lows. We had SMT at the highs, but disregarded that based off price action and what we were getting, which was bullishness, being at all-time highs. Pretty discretionary. 5-minute inversion, breaking at the high, target all-time highs, and then that's pretty much it. It's already 950. It's still 950, but probably not going to take anything for the rest of this day. Yeah. Pretty good backtesting session. This is a good one. Haven't gotten this good of price action for backtesting in a while. So far, undefeated September. That's pretty fire. Alright, I'm ending this here. Later.